First, this is me, Ayazmati. Today, I am going to tell you that how to improve English language. So many students they have asked me that how to improve English language. So first of all, you will have to learn tenses, models, and you have to memorize lots of vocabulary. Then after doing these all kind of the things, then you have to have practices. If you do more practices about tenses, about vocabulary, whatever you have memorized, whatever you have learned from an institute or teacher, you have to utilize these all kind of things. And one more thing, do more practices of spoken English. Keep speaking. Have a gathering of your friends who could talk with you in English and speak more and more. Then your English will be revived. And then memorize vocabulary, because without vocabulary, you people cannot understand or speak, English. And always think that we have to start from the broken, English. Broken English means whatever comes up in your mind, just speak about, just speak out. Just talk to someone. If you think that if I'm going to talk and the people that will be having fun, that will be laughing on me, that will think that, oh my God, he's talking broken language and broken English and that will be having fun and laughing. So don't think about that, just be optimistic and stay confident, and whatever you have got in English grammar, kindly utilize, that material in a right way. So, how I have improved my language. When I was learning language, so I used to talk with those people who knew English well. I met some of the friends who knew English, and I went on Facebook. I used social media. I met some friends over there as well. I used to talk with them. I used to chat with them. I used to call them. I used to talk with them, and I memorized lots of vocabulary like verbs, words, and I also utilized them. And at last, what happened? I just improved my language. So this is a very right way. Watch English movies, read English newspaper, read English stories, and if you're chatting with someone, chat in English. So these all things, really impact on your English language. So thank you very much, and see you.